So I'm Sam White and I'm a PhD student at the Royal Agricultural University working in collaboration with the University of Nottingham. My PhD is focused on investigating to identify and mitigate severe asthma in the performance horse. My bachelor's and master's degree were actually in equine science, and I conducted a lot of research focused around forage hygiene and the development of in vitro assays. I subsequently gained further experience as a laboratory technician with involvement in the UCAS quality management system in the public sector. At home I have several horses, and knowing everything I do and having researched forage hygiene, of course I give them all steamed hay. And I've been thrilled with the results, and my interest in this forage hygiene has really led me to further my educational development in this PhD. Severe asthma is very similar to allergic asthma in the human. So the inhalation of allergens such as bacteria, fungi and pollen can elicit an allergic reaction in certain individuals. So the susceptibility to this allergic reaction is mainly genetic and environmental. In the horse, the main source of these allergens is the organic dust portion of the forage which is present in their stable. When they inhale these allergens, such as the bacteria and fungi, in susceptible individuals they will bind with an antibody called immunoglobulin E, or IgE. When this binds, we have a release of pro-inflammatory mediators such as histamine, and this is what causes the symptoms we associate with severe asthma. So several fungi and bacteria have currently been identified as causal agents, as it were, in severe asthma, but currently the quantity of allergens that have been screened is very limited. So what our work is focused on is developing a test to assess this IgE antibody level against over 150 potential allergen. And then once we've identified these allergens we're associating with severe asthma, we can then look at hay treatment methods such as steaming and see how we can affect this IgE allergen binding, so effectively assess whether we can prevent it and therefore prevent or lessen the allergic reaction. We started this project in October 2015 and it will run until October 2018. Current research tells us that when the allergic horse is in the stabling environment which is rich in allergic allergens, we have this reaction, and when it is out, we see a period of remission. This isn't really feasible for many owners due to seasonality, competition schedules, nutritional demands and health issues. Similarly, the long-term treatment of severe asthma with bronchodilators or corticosteroids is expensive, contravenes competition rules, and the latter is a risk factor in laminitis. Therefore, if we can identify a way to prevent the interaction between the horse and the allergen, primarily through the treatment of forage, it would be a much more workable solution for many owners. It's going really well, really well. We're very pleased with the results. We've developed our test so far and optimised it, and we're ready to move on to the final stages of our test. The study will provide new data on the causal factors of severe asthma, which will have future implications for the development of diagnostics and treatments. But not only that, we can help to identify the way in which steaming may reduce the symptoms of severe asthma, which will provide management and treatment recommendations for the horse owner to improve the health, the welfare and the performance of the affected horse.